everybody, this is Mike from Altair. I just wanted to talk about the Outlaw drone today. If you want to take a closer look, we're going to do battery installation. So when you take the battery out of the box of your new Outlaw, it's going to have this little black plug. You're going to need to remove it before you can install the battery. Okay, so just set that aside. That's just to keep the battery terminals clean. This cable right here is for charging the battery. You just tuck it right up in there so that you can install it into the drum. So we take the Outlaw, you can see the plugs right there are going to go into the orange plug right there. Slide this in, press it down. On the back is the lock unlock. When you slide it in, you want it horizontal to be unlocked. Once you get it all the way in, turn it vertical and it's locked. Okay, and you'll get this beeping and you'll get the lights turn on if the battery has a charge.